Okay, so I'm inside Adobe Illustrator and I've found a bit of an issue when it comes to resetting the boundary box. So I've got a start and I've got this sort of curved edge rectangle or square. And if we turn the object, I'm just going to click R on the keyboard and just rotate it like that. And as you can see, the boundary box is also rotated as well. So normally you go to Object, Transform, Reset Boundary Box. As you can see, it's grayed out. So to get around this, what you need to do is expand it. So go to Object, go to Expand, and click OK. Now it has already got the boundary box transformed. Let's rotate that again a bit. If we click on it, the boundary box is still there as a sort of square. So let's do it with this as well. So we'll rotate it. As you can see, the boundary box is just around the edge of that. Go to Object, Transform, it's grayed out. Go to Expand, go to OK, and the boundary box is now in a different shape. Let's just rotate it the other way. And if you look at it, it's now sort of, the boundary box is all around it. So you can see you need to make sure that you've got it expanded in order for that to take effect. So that's how to reset your boundary box, or if your boundary box is grayed out. So if you got something out of that video, please smash the like button, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you in another one. Thanks for watching, guys.